Hi, Dan from GenTech Scientific here, and today I'm going to be showing you a little troubleshooting tips on if you're having pressure issues with your splitless inlet on your Agilent GC. One of the most common fail points that I find with pressure issues comes from your split vent trap. So if this was recently PM'd or if it was moved, this can come loose. And you may get pressure in splitless, but in split mode, you'll lose pressure because you're not tight here. So a common thing is make sure that that's good and tight. Finger tight normally is good enough, but don't be afraid, put a plier on it. But the front of this is going to move, so you use your 7/16 wrench. It's made to hold just inside of there. And then you can give this guy a little twist. And if you're watching your pressure while you do that, if this is the problem, your pressure should go up as you're tightening it down. That's it, simple as that.